iSENSE7 is developed using an intelligent science that works on the pressure points of the body and relieves body stress. Derived from NASA's thermosensitive material for ultimate comfort, the intelligent temperature sense memory foam covering gives a relaxing sleep surface. Bringing the revolutionary concept of precision-contoured pneumatic HR foam for the first time in India, the mattress is a fully packed sleeping system on its own. The 7-zone ergonomic design provides optimal body alignment and individual support in every sleeping position. The mattress has 6 air ducts on each side which help in maintaining the temperature required by the sleeper's body. The mattress mimics the quality of a spring mattress, yet it is a metal-free mattress and eradicates all the disadvantages of a spring mattress. The European upholstery combined with removable Clima-Adapt cover, rich suede fabric and Turkish accessories complete the look of this mattress. It comes with an extensive 11 years warranty and is backed by 31 years of brand confidence offered by Coirfit. If you have aches, pains or body stiffness, iSENSE7 is the ideal sleeping partner for you.